Welcome on channel Tutti Frutti Kids. Tutti Frutti, Tutti Frutti, Tutti Frutti. So, today we will play 5 different Pop-It games. Yes, Pop-It games. We have different Pop-Its here. Among Us Pop-It. Yeah, Katie shows this square Pop-It.
Heart and strawberry.
Pineapple. Round. Green round.
Yeah.
Ice cream. And George Pop-It. This is a neon Pop-It. It glows in the dark. Ooh. And later we will show how it glows. Yeah? At the end of video we will show how it glows. Yeah? Okay, let's start. First game will be who is the faster, Edward or I? We need pop, 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 and who will be the first, okay? Edward, let's start. You choose heart and strawberry, and I will take neon Pop-It and pineapple Pop-It. We have the same count here and here. We have 30 pops. Yeah? Okay. On 1, 2, 3, let's go. We will start.
Let me pop it.
Yeah, let's pop it. So, who will be first? Edward or Mommy? Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Katie was You left 5. So in this round, I'm the winner of this round. Maybe next time you will win, yeah? Yeah, Katie, you can play as well?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, let's go. Yay! Okay, this was game 1. Next game. A bit sorry, yeah? Oh! Okay, second game. For second game, we need dice. So we will throw dice, and number which will land, we need Pop-It. And who will pop? So who will pop all the Pop-Its? Will be the winner. Who will be the first, Edward or I? Let's leave a comment how you see who will be the first. Okay, let's go. 2. Okay, now I. 2. 4. 5.
6.
Yes. 5. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Now you. Throw a dice. Throw a dice. Throw a dice. Oh, 6. Yay! Wow. Lucky you. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! Now my turn. 1. 5. Yay! Lucky you.
1, 2, 3.
3, 4, 5. Yay! Now my turn. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Now my turn. 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Edward, now you. 2. Oh my God, who will win? You have 3 left and I have 6 left. Oh. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Edward, now you. 6. You win! Yay! You win this game. Okay, next game.
Next game will be We have this Among Us Pop-It, and there is hidden one candy under one pop. It will count as a bomb. So whoever pops it and there is a candy, they're out of the game. So let's see who it will be. Please choose carefully your pop.
Oh my god, I don't want a bomb. Okay, who will be first? You or I? I. Okay, you. Oh, nothing. Nothing.
Simple Dimple, puppet squish, puppet squish, puppet squish. Что? Мама? What is it? No!
It's a
Bomb! Here's candy! Oh my god, no! You are again winner! Of the third game, winner is Edward! Yay! Okay, next game or one more time this game? Or next. Okay, one more time this game.
Only will make it more difficult. There will be 5 bombs.
Are you ready for 5 bombs? Okay, let's do it.
We have now 5 bombs hidden. So, who will start first?
This time I. Okay, I will start. Yellow.
Oh, nice.
Done? No? No, nothing.
Yes.
Blue.
But this is so hot.
I don't know. Ah, there is bomb! There is bomb! One bomb, Edward! So I have 0 bombs and Edward had 1 bomb. Okay, now Edward, your turn. Yay! Nothing. But Edward would first pop it, just get a bomb. Nothing.
Nothing.
It's a bomb! It's a bomb, look!
It.
1-1. 1 point Edward, 1 point Mommy. Okay, Edward, now your turn. Nothing. Oh, Edward! It's a bomb!
My goodness.
It's a bomb! 2 points Edward, 1 point Mommy. Ooh. Here is bomb. So 2 points Edward, 2 points Mommy. 1 bomb. I will not take it out. Yeah, we will know that there is bomb. Last bomb left, Edward. Now your turn. Let's go.
Simple Dimple, puppet squish, puppet squish, puppet squish. Что?
The last bomb! Oh my god! I again lose. Edward is a winner. 3 points Mommy, 2 points Edward. Woohoo! Congratulations, Edward! You're the winner of third game. Okay, next game.
I grab these.
So now will be next game. Yep. Mommy and Edward both have 4 candies that they will hide into each other's poppet, and the goal will be to find all 4 candies the quickest.
Yay! Okay, let's do it. Let's hide the candies. Let's change.
Yeah.
Okay, who will be first? You or I? Okay, let's start.
No.
No. No.
No. No.
Nothing?
Apple.
No. Then Edward.
No. What's that?
Yay! One for mommy!
No, good.
Hide one candy for Katie as well, so she's looking for candy as well. Okay,
Apple.
let's go. Edward one find and one find Ivy.
No.
No. No. So Edward found two candies. I found one. One? You find as well? No. Look. Where is your candy? Okay, now my turn. There? Katie, you found candy! Yes, it's there. Yeah. Candy. There is candy. Katie, you like the candy? Yeah. Press like if you like our games. Woohoo, like. And leave comments as well. Okay, Edward, now my turn. Nothing. Third. Oh, what? You find 3 candies! Yay! 3. So you have 1 left, and I still need to find 3 candies. So I have 2 candies. 2 left, and you only 1. Oh, Frutti was the winner! So you find the last candy. Look.
Look at that.
Oh, look! You find all 4 candies. I find only 2. So where was hiding my candies? Oh my God! One was there, and one was there.
Yes, I am good.
Oh, Edward there's a winner.
I am eating.
Okay, next game. Are you ready for next game? Next and last game. Ooh.
Tactical game. So we have this Among Us puppet. Mommy and Edwards will have to choose how many pops to pop at the time. So you can do from 1 till 3. So either 1, either 2, either 3 pops per turn. But whoever will have to pop the last pop will be loser. So need to be really careful, yeah, to make sure that last pop goes to your opponent. Are you ready?
Yeah, are you ready? I'm ready. We are ready. Woohoo, let's go. So Edward, who will be the first? I. Okay, let's go.
2.
You choose 2. Okay, I will choose 3.
I will choose
2.
1.
3.
3.
2.
3.
1.
1.
2.
3.
2. 2.
We have 4 left.
Edward,
choose.
think carefully. Think carefully if you will press.
This, if you press this one, you can lose.
Yes, so you.
How many you will choose?
So how many you will choose?
3.
3? Oh no!
Last one.
I'm the loser again! Look at me! Edward! Oh! Okay, let's count how many points has Edward and how many points have I. And the winner is Edward! Congratulations! We will check how this puppet glows in the dark. Let's switch the light. 1, 2, 3. Switch off. it's for today. We played 5 awesome games with puppies. Woo! If you like our video, press like, leave comment which game you like the best, and subscribe to our channel Tutti Frutti Kids to not miss any future video. Woo! And also click bell icon. Okay, see you soon. Bye. George, it's quite hard.